So this is the Shining door with accessories, and we'll start with the base. Apologies that it's in black filament, it did run out of white, but as you can see it's got the carpet texture there, which you can paint the individual cells both red and orange, leaving black, and it has a slot there for the walls, plain on the bottom, but this fits with the inside of the bathroom with a mirror and the door itself. It's plain on the back because what you can do is you can attach it to the back. Sorry for the dodgy camera work. The back of the main part where where he takes the axe to the door in The Shining, and this is the famous red rum door. And again, plain on the back. What happens is they both slot together, as you can see, and then they both slot. I'll try to show you. Sorry about this. I'm always the first to complain about not using a tripod, and here I am not using a tripod. They both slot into the frame like that, and then they fit seamlessly together, so it's held up by the frame. The other parts in the box are, we've got the axe, which would need a nice colour, and you can do what you want with it, like stand it against the wall or whatever. We have a sink which goes onto the back of the model, which goes here, fits here, and then the tap fits just above it, which glues on, which is this bit here. This is the tap, and that fits onto there. Obviously there's a support there which could be taken off. The next parts is we've got and I'll point them out here, we've got a light bulb which fits into the, not much light in there, which fits onto the lampshade. That fits on the top there, and then the lampshade fits onto the lamp, what do they call that? Lamp post? I forgot what they call it. But whatever, it fits on there. And then that will sit on the table, which sits at the side of the door here with its legs. There's 4 legs there. And these all glue together, and I will post pictures of the final of that. But one of the last things is there's a book, which can be painted whatever colour you want. There's a cup there, and the other thing is the ring, which sits underneath the table. So we would sits. Oh, I'm really terrible at this. Sits under like this and gives the table element, and then the legs glue to this. So these are the legs. This way up, the little notch at the bottom is to hang the bottom shelf onto, so that it's got some purchase to. So all that needs gluing up, and then, as I say, you'll see pictures of the final result. And so just to finish off, here is the table with the lamp, the glass, and the book. It's all assembled, and obviously for people who purchase an actual model of it, there is, a supply red rum in water slide decal, so you can attach that to the door, which goes, as we know, right here. Thank you.